Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. In today's video, we have brought the recipe of yellow lentil halwa for you. So let's start first with the ingredients. Yellow lentil 1 cup. Clarified butter 3/4 cup. Milk 1½ cups. Water as required. Sugar 1 cup or as desired. Ground cardamom as required. Chopped raisins as required. Chopped almonds as required. Chopped pistachio as required. Grated coconut as required. Silver paper or foil as required. Recipe: clean the yellow lentil and wash, then soak for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, grind yellow lentil on a stone or in a chopper. Grind it to a coarsely and set aside. Now turn on the stove, heat a saucepan, and add cardamom seeds and clarified butter. Once you feel the aroma of cardamom, add ground yellow lentil, mix well, and cook on low flame for 15 minutes and mix continuously until clarified butter separates. Gradually add milk and mix continuously. Add some water and mix well. After that, add sugar and mix well, cover, and cook on low flame for 20 minutes, then mix until well combined. While roasting the lentil, add some chopped almonds and raisins. Once you feel the aroma of yellow lentil halwa, and it tends to repel the pan bottom, halwa is ready. Now take it out in a beautiful bowl. Sprinkle chopped pistachio, grated coconut, chopped raisins, and chopped almonds throughout the bowl and garnish with silver paper. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and share them.